AMI offers the opportunity for the employees to be part of something very meaningful.
Working at AMI allows you to feel proud, feel accomplished, and feel that what you're doing has a purpose.
Our energy and our commitment every day is focused on building the best product that we can, and if you just want to see that you've made a good product.
The spirit of innovation at AMI motivates me to come up with a better design. Every idea is valued.
We've built AMI into a recognizable brand, and that's what I'm most proud of. I'm excited to see our team grow and what we can accomplish together.